How to cook Paneer Tikka in microwave. First collect these ingredients. 300 grams paneer, cut into 2 inches squares. 1 large capsicum, cut into 1 inches pieces. 1 onion, cut into 4 pieces. 1 tomato, cut into 8 pieces. Now collect these ingredients for marinating. 1 cup yogurt, Dahi, hang in a muslin cloth for 30 minutes. 3 tablespoon thick malai or thick cream. A pinch of turmeric. 1½ tablespoon oil. 1 tablespoon corn flour. Half tablespoon mango powder. 1/2 tablespoon black salt. 1/2 tablespoon red chili powder. 3/4 tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon chicken masala. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now follow these steps. Number 1. Mix all ingredients of the marinade in a bowl. Add paneer and mix well. Put marinated items in a fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Number 2. Grease grill rack with oil. Arrange paneer on the greased rack. When all the paneer pieces are done, put capsicum, onions and tomato all together in the leftover marinade and mix well to coat the vegetables. Place vegetables also on the rack. Number 3. Set your microwave oven at 200 degrees Celsius using the oven convection mode and press start to preheat. Number 4. After preheating oven, put the paneer with rack in the hot oven. Number 5. Set the preheated oven for 15 minutes and cook the paneer in it for 15 minutes. Number 6. After that, spoon some melted butter on the cooked paneer tikkas and grill for 3 to 4 minutes. Then remove them from oven. Sprinkle some chaat masala and lemon juice and serve hot.